Hello, friends. Welcome back to English in Daily Life. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Lena. We are happy you're here. Today's topic is asking about someone's day.
Yes, we will learn easy questions and simple answers you can use every day.
If you like learning English with us, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. It helps the show grow.
All right, let's start.
Our first question is, how was your day? Listen, how was your day?
This question is very common. You can ask a friend, a coworker, even your family.
Let's say it together slowly. How was your day?
Now, an easy answer. My day was good.
Again, my day was good.
Here are more examples. My day was busy. My day was long. My day was fun.
Great job! You're already improving.
Our next question is, what did you do today?
This means you want to know about the person's activities.
Example answer, I went to work.
Or, I studied English.
Or even, I stayed home and watched TV.
Let's repeat. What did you do today? Good job.
Okay, now listen to a short conversation.
How was your day?
My day was good. What did you do today?
I studied English and made pasta.
Nice! Now let's do it again, slowly.
Great work. Repetition helps you learn.
Here are more phrases you can use. How are you feeling today? Did you have a good day? Anything interesting happen?
And easy answers. I feel tired. Yes, I had a good day. Yes, I met a friend.
Try to say these out loud. Speaking is practice.
Let's share our own day. Jackson, how was your day?
My day was simple. I drank coffee, I answered emails, and I walked my dog. My quick breakfast was a banana.
Nice. My day was busy. I cleaned my room and I cooked rice and vegetables.
See? Very simple sentences. You can talk about your day like this too.
Let's review the key phrases from today. How was your day? What did you do today? Did you have a good day?
And some answers. My day was good. I studied. I cooked. I watched TV.
Good job today. You spoke English, repeated new phrases, and learned real conversation.
Before we go, here's our fun community question.
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.
See you next time.